And a very good morning to you. Welcome to our Bird Notes. Dwight Davis with you this morning. Birds and humans are the most musical of animals. Humans claim Mozart. Birds boast the nightingale, the wood thrush, the mockingbird. But birds have another kind of music, onomastic music we could call it, the euphonic sounds of birds' names. So this morning, a list of those names without the usual and always interesting etymologies, and without any other explanations or identification. Just enjoy the music of these names. Loon, grebe, shearwater, jaeger, fulmar, petrel, merganser, gannet, anhinga, brant, widgeon, scaup, eider, gadwall, scoter, ptarmigan, gallinule, limpkin, sora, phalarope, dunlin, kittiwake, phoebe, bobolink, siskin, longspur, goosander, smew, pochard, lanner, hobby, corncrake, dowitcher, prattencoal, skua, brambling, chaffinch, siskin, whimbrel, ouzel, widgeon, chachalaca, kestrel, godwit, and euphonia. So this morning, merely some musical bird names.